In this video, I'll show you how to download and install the Epic Games Launcher on your PC in 2025. Step 1. Open your browser and type Epic Games in the search bar. Hit search and find the official Epic Games website. Click on the first link you see. Step 2. Look for the download button. In the upper right corner of the website, you'll see a download button. Click on it. Step 3. Install the Epic Games Launcher. Once the file is downloaded, click on it to start the installation process. Follow the on-screen instructions and click Install. The setup might take a few moments, so sit tight while it installs. Step 4. Update, if prompted. If there are any updates available during installation, let them run to ensure the launcher works smoothly. Step 5. Log in to your Epic Games account. After installation, open the Epic Games Launcher. Log into your account. If you don't have one, don't worry. You can easily create one using any available option like Google, Facebook, or email. Personally, I recommend using Google for a quick and seamless login. Step 6. Explore the launcher. And that's it. You now have the Epic Games Launcher on your PC. From here, you can browse, buy, and play games, or even enjoy free weekly games offered by Epic. Congratulations, you're now ready to experience the world of Epic Games. From blockbuster titles to indie gems, everything is at your fingertips. If this guide helped you, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more gaming tutorials. See you in the next video.